What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, QQQ, and the S&P 500. A lot to look at. I am taking suggestions. If you would like me to review another cryptocurrency, let me know down in the comments below. But this is going to be the simple lineup that we're going to be looking at today. Now, as you guys know, we left off yesterday discussing the fact that we kind of hit a bottom here. And what I mean by this is not so much that we could start to rise to the upside here, but more so like we may not see much more movement lower or to the downside here. What we're expecting is a possible consolidation, maybe reversal to the upside like I drew here. And the reason being is we've been tracking these kind of ascending or descending or symmetrical triangles. What I mean is, like, if we look at XRP, for example, here, we've noticed that there was a symmetrical triangle filling in the gap. We saw this resistance and we fell to the downside here. Here we are consolidating again, hitting resistance, falling to the downside here. So within the market that is moving here, we kind of anticipated correction here. It was inevitable. We've been waiting for it to happen, and it's finally taking shape, which is excellent if you ask me. But we have to look at all the cryptocurrencies and kind of get a better opinion, because all of them look like that. We had a same resistance here, fell, and now we're consolidating. That's why I don't think there's a much lower point. Fell on Ethereum, consolidating. Bitcoin fell down. More than likely going to consolidate. We could easily include the drop that we had here. Not surprised at all. That's still, we only had really 2 points of confirmation, so this could be that third. And again, now we should hopefully start to consolidate sideways. QQQ looks good. Nicely that we're going to start to head back up. Stock market looks good as well. Things across the board look pretty nice. And I do believe we're going to see some consolidation, if not a reversal to the upside. So I am excited with the way these markets are moving to. And I do believe we do have some upside potential. Like, this was a necessary correction. Nothing is shocking or out of the ordinary with this drop. This was a very healthy, needed pullback to the downside in order for us to continue to head higher. So lots to go over, lots to discuss. With that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is giving away up to $11,000 in free bonus cryptocurrency. This is the first time they are running an event like this that I've seen with rewards this high, which is pretty insane here. The deposit bonus limits are actually incredibly low. So for those that want to get, some free bonus cash, this is the way to do it here. Depositing like $7K can earn you $1,700 in free bonus cryptocurrency by hitting the volume 2. And that's pretty easy to do with the leveraging option that they do offer here. But the best part is you can get free bonus cryptocurrency and then use that to do your trades after. And it basically is an incentive to use it. So it's very cool that they're offering this. There are other ways of getting this too. You can see on BYDFI, they have a reward center, and instead of it being as high, 11K, they do have some other options up to 8,100, 8K here. You can see 8,100 here, and then 100 for just signing up, which is super cool. So lots of free bonus cryptocurrency going around on BYDFI. Make sure to check them out. Link down in the description below. We'll go over them later on in today's episode, but you can see on their current coin market cap, we fell like substantially low. Like, there's a good chance we are going to see reversal. We are now at 20 on the fear, like literally 1 point away from being in the extreme fear category and seeing markets reverse. I mean, when is it a good time to be buying in? Well, when the markets are on sale, when we're down 11, 15, 17, 19, 18, 15%. And I do believe in the long term, the next couple of years, we should be expecting much lower levels of crypto as the market is cyclical. My other video is trying to figure out what the word was. It is cyclical, and we should be seeing the market slide lower. But there's very good chances that we could see markets head up in the interim before we fall lower. So that's what I want to talk about today. And what I mean by that is because we've rapidly fallen to the downside, down like double digits, 15% on average here, these cryptos have the potential to head higher in the very near short term. So something like XRP in a beautiful descending fractal, falling lower, scaling down. We have now had a beautiful symmetrical triangle. We confirmed the breakdown. Here we are, symmetrical triangle, confirmed the breakdown. And then now we're getting caught on the moving average, probably going to hold out on here. We said yesterday, probably not going to break down from there. And you can see we're holding it very nicely, probably going to recover, maybe see that move up a little bit. But what we're looking for is eventually coming into contact with said downtrend. Let me put that here. So what we're looking for now is probably going to just consolidate like this, or maybe we'll float to the upside a tiny bit here, but we're looking for another retest of this resistance. So profits should have been taken. That's what, is the appropriate time to do, because you can see here, I don't expect us to just plow up or go down here, or at least move that stop loss, but more than likely XRP is going to consolidate for a bit until we come into contact with that resistance again that we've had problems with in the past. If we confirm closure above it, simply expect to see a rally. We'll probably get into contact with it sometime mid-March. Otherwise, another dump, another descending stair-stepping fractal pattern here. We consolidate like this. You can see we tend to move up. So maybe we'll move up like this and see another dump like that. It's very possible, as we've been doing that consistently in the markets here with history repeating. And you can see we could take advantage of this trade like we've done on BitFi. Like I said, #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BitFi here, including XRP to leverage trade, which is unbelievable. Not many exchanges offer that. You can see the downtrend that we're starting to see take place. We can remove some of these as it's kind of old news at this point. And you can see we are starting to unveil some sort of much larger downtrend here. Check it out. Look at that as we slowly start to scale things wider. Very interesting. I don't think that's the one that I wanted to draw, though. I think, well, it could be. Yeah, that looks about reasonable. This is about what we're dealing with right now. And you can see the descending fractal that's taking place here, which is exciting. It's good news. It's a bull flag for sure. Flag pull up. Lower high, lower lows, expecting to see a reversal. It is definitely a good sign to be in the markets right now. Once we get this clear confirmation, this typically ends textbook-wise with a bullish break, so that's what we're waiting for. But aside from that, you can see, where is it, that they have a demo trading account, and I showed you that reward center here, but this demo account gives you $50K in demo money to practice trading your skills. Even if you're an advanced trader, even if you trade a lot, the fact is BitFi offers demo money. It gets you familiar. I don't care if you're a beginner, advanced, learn the exchange, because they are all different. Get familiar with the platform, practice your trades so you don't get rusty, and then when you're ready, you can use that bonus money or the live trading account to practice your to trade and use real crypto. The best part is all bonus money, profits earned on all bonus money can be withdrawn completely free, which is very, very, very nice. And aside from XRP and BitFi here, in the downtrend, you can see it's not just XRP that kind of solidifies what we've been talking about. Solana has been in a stair-stepping pattern for a very long time, and we have now fallen down to support, and we are now slowly consolidating across the bridge. Once we get through, we have another decision, either a dump or a pump. But ideally, because we're so undervalued and below moving average, I would, at some point, would like to see this rally to the upside here. And I think it's inevitable. It could be now. We're extremely undervalued, so we're more so expecting to see a reversal than anything else. And this pretty much covers a lot of these cryptos across the board. Ethereum in a massive, again, descending fractal. We're waiting for us to reverse out, as a, what do you call it? Conservatively trading here. We're looking for consolidation across, hitting this resistance, and then a reversal up. Yeah, it might not be as high as we started, but it will be a very easy buy-in opportunity and reversal. Bitcoin hitting bottom. What we're looking for is a reversal up. Same thing with QQQ and S&P are a little bit different, but they're kind of similar. You can see kind of this descending fractal, this flag that's taking place here. We hit support. You can see the pre-trades were up, which is nice. We don't know. There's a lot of room in QQQ, but ideally, we could do something like that. We want to fill this in. And then what? To come, more than likely, a break up. Obviously, we get squeezed here and dump, which would suck. But we're looking more so for a continued pattern here. Could break out early, but you can see S&P is coming to the end of that. So more than likely, we fill this in. And hopefully, we breach it. Because if we can confirm closure again above here, ignore the bull trap, we close above this, boom. it's going to be all-time highs, baby. And I expect that to happen. There's a lot of support here. If things go well, I would expect to see a reversal. Otherwise, we are going to see a landslide dump, and I don't want that to happen anytime soon. Nobody wants that to happen. But there's no real craziness going on right now in the market that would signal a dump. But you never know. So good news on both ends here. It all gets squeezed coming down to the wire. You can see how we typically have been just breaking out each time we fill in these descending fractals here. So who's to say it can't happen again? More than likely, that's what we're going to see. But with that being said, that's it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.